She's not even like getting the ball.
Nice job, Supermeister. Nicely done, little girl.
She's so lost. Oh, big blue ball. Oh. I'm gonna stand Jennifer's way. Oh God.
Pay attention. He says, Sissy, you're behaving inappropriately, and I'm not very fond of it. Six? Six? You gonna get it, Six? You gonna get it?
You're an ass rascal. And there's Panda. Oh, oh. Oh, that's a pretty bug ball. Like, drawstring's better, but... Oh, look, she's looking at your drawstring. She knows that word. So, yeah. That's Jennifer playing Dragon Age.